Hi boys and girls, welcome today. So the last time that you were here, we worked on our night sky, and this is our winter night sky because we've got snow in the sky. And also we did our moon, and then we did different tints. Tints are when you take white and you add it to a color. So in this example, we took white and then we added it to blue, and we made different tints in our sky kind of for the glow of our moon. Today what we are going to do is we are going to add tree limbs, kind of like we're looking up in the sky and we see all these different trees kind of above us in the sky. So I'm going to show you today how we are going to create our tree limbs onto our paper. Okay, so today we've got our paper from last time. What we are going to do is we are going to use a Sharpie marker, and I'm sure you know about Sharpie markers, but they are permanent markers, which means if you get them on your hands or you get them on your clothes, it does not come off. So please be very responsible. These are grown-up tools, but I am trusting you to make good decisions with our grown-up tools today, okay? So what you're going to do is we are going to make between 3 or 4. So you get to choose 3 or 4 different tree limbs on your sky. And I'm going to say you can put them anywhere starting from any edge of your paper here, but we want to make sure not to cover up our moon. So I probably am not going to put it right over here. I'm going to find another edge to put it on. And I'm going to start with kind of a long stick, okay? And you can draw it straight down or you can draw it in an angle, however you want to do it. But I'm going to start with a line like this on my paper. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start to add some branches that come off almost in kind of a V shape. And these are also going to be long. So I didn't cover my moon, but I'm over the tints, and that's okay. And I'm going to make another one down here like this that kind of come off to the side. Now where a branch kind of connects with that main branch, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, which means I'm going to add another little line that kind of comes out here. Okay, and I can make this branch pretty thick. That main branch is usually thicker than the little ones that come out. Then from these, I'm going to add a little bit smaller ones that come off to the side, and they can come to either side here. And I'm making just like different kinds of V shapes as it come off. If you've ever noticed a tree, that's kind of how it looks. It's got these different kind of V shapes. Now when I paint on here and then I go over it with my Sharpie, sometimes it doesn't show up very well. So you might need to go over it again, okay, until you can really see that solid black. And then I'm going to go one more time and I'm going to make some little V's with some little branches that come off, okay? Now this will be considered one branch. I'm going to make 3 or 4 branches, so I'm going to make another one over here, and I can do it from the corner. I'm going to start with a line. Goes off my paper. Try not to get it on the table if you can. If you get a little bit on the table, it's okay. We can clean it up with a special kind of cleaning stuff, but we want to be respectful to the people around us. They should not have to clean up our mess, so try really hard not to get on the table. I'm going to make some long branches, okay, that come off that middle part, and remember where it attaches. I'm going to make it a little bit thicker, a little bit more there, and then I'm going to make some shorter ones on each one. And then some little baby branches that kind of come off on the end like that, okay? And then I'm going to do one more, and I have a lot of empty space over here, so I think I'm going to do it over here like this. Try not to get on the table. I was trying to be really careful. Go up close to the edge, and then long branch, and then medium branch, baby branch, baby branch, maybe one more over here. Okay, and now I've got my branches and I am finished today. When you are done with your Sharpie, be careful. We don't want to get that on our clothes or our hand. You're going to take off that cap and you're going to put it on, and make sure you press down really hard so it's nice and closed, okay? And then when we're done, we're going to turn this in, and then you can do any activity that's on the gray door today. Please make sure you're responsible with our grown-up tools. We don't want to get it on our clothes and our hands, so I'm going to trust you guys that you can use this today, okay? Great job, guys.